Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to another back to homeschool video this week. Today I'm cleaning out my homeschool cart. It is full of messes and yeah, it has not been touched. As you can see, it has a little bit of everything. My kids throw things in there, I throw things in there, and so it has not been touched for quite some time, pretty much the whole summer. So I'm going to be prepping it and setting it up for the new homeschool year. And I actually just cleaned out this whole corner, and this right here plus all of this right here is everything that was in just the first two pockets of that homeschool card. I can't believe it. It's full of stuff. So I'm gonna sort all this out and yeah, just keep watching so you can see what it turns out like. It is all cleared out. I'm so grateful and happy. Of course, I still have a mess in that table behind me, but let's just wipe this down and start prepping it up. Now, you guys know I started using this cart last year while I was doing Gather Around Homeschool. It works really well because since I do a unit study approach, everything that I need is in this cart. I also like to put like activities, puzzles, anything that I need. So you'll see me set that up too as well. And I keep finding things in the nooks and crannies. I kept on saying, what is this noise? What is happening? And I keep showing you guys. But anyways, keep watching so you can see how I set it up. So I'm going to be using these book bins. These are from Dollar Tree. I like to put the boys' curriculums here. So those, I have one for JJ, Jonah, and JL. And they're not ideal per se because they do kind of like tumble over. But I will show you how I figure out how to keep them from tumbling over. I just added this bookend from Dollar Tree. I love these. They're like these little metal bookends and it works pretty well and they don't tumble over anymore. Okay, you guys, video fail. This is the next day. I was so exhausted the night before that I just couldn't stay up any longer. So I just put some things away, and then this morning I had put some stuff in that second shelf there, but I will show you pretty much what I've done. In that third bottom, I guess I should call it space or shelf, I like to put all the art supplies or activities that we're doing for our current curriculum or our current unit. And so this is for the human body one. So I have a puzzle there. I have some Play-Doh that I'm going to be putting, this squishy kit thing as well. And anything that I'm going to be using for the units, I like to put it in the bottom shelf. And for the most part, it always fits and it looks nice. Now I try to use any space that I can. So in the back of that top shelf there, I'm going to be adding these Wipe and Clean Osborne books that I got from a book party that I did. I love them. And those are for Jace for when I need him to entertain with something. I'll have those out for him during our read aloud or our Bible time, whenever I need him to stay still. So that's JL's Bible. And I'm also having the Indescribable and the Amazing or How Great Is Our God book for this unit. And this basket is going to be for Jace. I'm going to be adding some things for Jace. That's also from Osborne. And some puzzles and some things that I can use throughout this unit that will keep him entertained. This little basket is definitely just for him. So I'm going to go ahead and get some books and show you some of the books that I want to do with him, including this Scholastic's Story Treasure 100 Classic Stories. I've had this for years and I love it. I've used it plenty of time in the past, and I just brought it out again so that I can show it to JJ and Jace when I need to in our portable DVD player. And now it's time to clean out our board. You guys know I had finished with our Oceans unit and that was still there, you guys. So that's clean. And now I'm gonna finish up JJ's basket, and I brought out all these fun board books for him. He loves them. This is one of my favorites. I bought this from Target a long time ago, and I used to use it with JJ, and he would memorize all these things, all these pictures and the words, and it was fun. So I'm definitely gonna work with Jace to teach him some words. He knows some already. And they're just cute little books that I have for him. Board books that he can grab on his own and play, and that he doesn't have to like break, that he does, they're durable. Break proof or something. But I love these my first words or my learning words books from Target. Those are my favorite. I'm definitely going to be using them. So that's it, you guys. As I'm finishing this video, I just want you guys to know I am so glad you're here. Thank you for pressing play and taking time to watch my videos. If you enjoyed this one, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I hope you subscribe to see more, and I will see you on my next video.